If Lucidchart is showing an internal server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to your diagram without guessing. This usually happens because of a browser glitch, a bad cache file, a network issue, or even a document-specific problem. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to perform a hard refresh. Open your Lucidchart document in your browser, then press Ctrl, Shift, and R on Windows, or Command, Shift, and R on Mac. This forces your browser to reload the page without using a stored copy. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary loading issue, and a hard refresh clears that right away. Wait for the page to fully reload and check whether the document opens normally. If you still see the error, the next step is to test Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. Open a new private browsing window. In Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows or Command, Shift, and N on Mac. If you're using Safari, go to File and then New Private Window. Once the private window opens, go to the Lucid login page, sign in, and try opening the document again. This step is important because incognito mode disables many browser extensions and uses a clean session, which helps you quickly tell whether the problem is coming from your browser settings or add-ons. If the document loads correctly here, then the issue is probably tied to your regular browser profile. If it still does not load, move on to the next fix. Now let's clear your browser cache. This is one of the most common solutions for internal server errors because old or corrupted cached files can block Lucidchart from loading properly. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Look for Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time and make sure you select cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data or Clear Now, depending on your browser. Once it's finished, restart your browser completely and sign back in to Lucidchart. Then try opening your document again. If the cache was the issue, this should solve it. If the error is still there, check your network connection next. Start by disconnecting any active VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes interfere with web apps and cause login or loading problems. After disconnecting, refresh the Lucidchart page and try again. If possible, switch to a different network like a mobile hotspot just to test whether your current connection is the cause. If Lucidchart works on another network, then you know the issue is likely coming from your internet connection or network restrictions rather than Lucidchart itself. Another important thing to check is your login method. Lucidchart can behave differently depending on how your account was created. Sign out of your Lucidchart account completely, then close your browser all the way down. Reopen the browser and return to the Lucid sign-in page. This time, sign in using the same method you originally used. For example, if you created your account with Google, choose Continue with Google. If you used Microsoft, choose Continue with Microsoft. And if you originally signed up with email and password, use that exact method instead. Using the wrong login method can sometimes make it seem like the document is broken when really the account session just isn't matching correctly. If the error only affects one specific document, then the issue may be with that file rather than your browser or account. In that case, open the affected document, press Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac to select everything, then press Ctrl and C to copy it. After that, go back to your Lucidchart dashboard, click New, then Lucidchart, then Blank Document. Once the new document opens, press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac to paste the diagram into the fresh file. Save the new document and see if it loads normally. This is a great workaround when one file is corrupted or stuck, but your account and browser are otherwise working fine. At this point, one of these fixes should get you past the Lucidchart internal server error. In most cases, the problem is either a browser cache issue, a session problem, or a document loading conflict, so going through the steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing it quickly. If the first method doesn't work, don't skip ahead randomly. Just follow the process and test each step one by one. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy fixes for apps and software problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.